So we're here with our model Alia, and I have my medium format camera, and I have my phone which will serve as a light meter. I use an app, it's literally called Light Meter, and it's gonna show me all the settings to take the photo. Woo! Ready to stay still?
I'm so ready.
I told Alia, I was like, we're not gonna have you running around or doing anything crazy. It's just gonna be very simple. So let's get started, shall we? We are going to be adjusting things like the aperture, which is controlled by this ring over here. As you can see, there's little numbers here. And then shutter speed is controlled by this dial right here. ISO, you actually pull this ring up. So I'm physically pulling up, and then it adjusts the ISO. We found this really cute picnic bench, and normally I don't like, it's not even a picnic, it's a picnic table. Not even a picnic bench. Wow, I am uncultured. Normally I wouldn't shoot with picnic tables, but film makes literally anything look nice. So I'm using a Light Meter app that I can choose the settings, and it will help me choose ISO, shutter speed, things like that, so I can get the best exposure. Now for real, oh, this is gonna be so pretty.
So you can see me on that, so what you see in that is what's gonna be on there?
Yeah, so this is helping me.
Me learning with the vlog?
No, that's okay, that's okay. This basically will help me, so it tells me here like, oh, if you're shooting at 2.8 on your thing, then you wanna change it to 12. Like basically it just helps me
like
get the settings. Guide for the settings,
awesome.
yeah. I'm gonna pull the lens out by pressing this bottom button right here, like that, and turning my camera on, and we're ready to go. I just have to obviously, adjust the settings, and then we're good to go. So it's telling me ISO 50, 1/500th of a second. So we really have to think of your pose for this one. So let's see, maybe you can do, maybe I like the ones when you were kind of like looking away. Maybe like have a hand. Oh my God, these are gonna be gorgeous. So I just have to get the focus down. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. That little clip.
Nice at you.
That was great. Honestly,
when
I first used this and I heard the click, I was like,
that's it?
Where's the shutter? Where's the like explosion? I don't know. I'm thinking something more, but that's it. How about you maybe have your hands like out more? Yeah, kind of like that, yeah. Okay, looking, yep, 1, 2, 3. Great, and then once I take the photo, I just advance the film. Now we're moving to do some direct light. How about you're sitting on the grass? It looks very healthy, right? So we are light metering once again, and it's telling me aperture should be 8 with ISO 50 and 1/500th of a second. So I'm gonna back up just a little bit because I always feel like I'm taking the photos. I forget that this is 75mm. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Stay right there. Wow, that car.
Oh, just killed the shot. Paid actor.
He's a paid actor, he came in. Stay right there. And this is an optical viewfinder, so what I see in my camera is not what the lens is seeing. So I have to kind of guess a bit. Do you know what I mean? So this is just a window. This just shows me right here.
That makes so much sense. Show respect to all the photographers out there. It's not as easy as it looks, really. Oh my gosh, I could never.
1, 2, 3. Great. And again, we're advancing the film. We're on photo number 4. Look at us.
Look at us.
Look at us.
It's only been like 10 minutes.
Do you get that reference, the look at us reference?
No. What is that? Am I a loser?
You're definitely not. I'm the loser for knowing that one. Let's have you standing. Or maybe, let me see you next to this tree. Look at the beautiful light on her face. Another issue I've been having is the framing is a bit tricky, so I'm backing up a lot because I definitely want her whole outfit in this photo. So I'm gonna place you guys right here and back up quite a bit. 1, 2, lift your chin just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. You know what sounds really good right now? Ice cream.
You know what sounds really good? Burger and ice cream. I've been craving a burger.
Really? What kind of burger?
Not a burger, excuse me, a chicken sandwich. Chicken burger, chicken sandwich.
Oh, that does sound good. Do you have like coleslaw on it?
Oh, no, we don't eat coleslaw. We don't.
What?
We don't partake in those actions. That's
You don't like coleslaw?
Absolutely not. You do? Clearly. We can't be friends. Video done.
Comment down below, coleslaw or no coleslaw on your sandwich. No coleslaw. I like the more slow-paced environment of film. I'm gonna just say that.
This is definitely the most chill like shoot we've had together.
And I need that. Usually I'm like, okay, right here,
Mom,
over
do
there.
this.
Jump on the, jump on the tree. Lean back just a little bit. Lean back.
Lean back.
Lean back.
You fall off.
I break my leg. I never do photography again. This is my last photo shoot. What would I do if I did video games? For sure. Chin up a bit. 1, 2, 3. Wait, are we on photo 6 or are we going to photo number 7 or are we? I don't know. It's one of those.
Yes.
Who cares? It's a low number. It's a low
number.
So I would have taken 2,000 pictures by now, digitally. We love the soccer. Are you a soccer player?
No, I can be.
I love that.
Today I am. If Jessica says I'm a soccer player, I'll be the soccer player.
If you say I don't like coleslaw, I don't like coleslaw.
I don't like coleslaw.
Where did we go wrong today? I'm gonna change the aperture from 5.6 to 8 for this one. And then I just need to change my ISO and I should be all set. So we're going to 8 from 5.6 and then my ISO is staying at 100. Okay.
You like a more like
more side.
Or more like a
Oh hi, how are you? Like the Princess Diaries, like the pop. Getting the focus is so difficult. Actually, look away. Yeah, look up there. 1, 2, 3. Maybe even have do something even like this. Yeah, there you go. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Great job. And then we are on photo 8. Woo! Team coleslaw.
No!
We have this area here, this tree. What do you think? I'll let you pick the next location.
No. Okay.
Ooh.
Or this is too dark.
We can wherever you want.
This background is really awesome.
You like this background?
I do.
So this one we're going to 4. The shutter speed has kind of stayed the same. ISO is going to stay at 100. Maybe you could do it where you're just pulling one of the sleeves and then looking here. Pull it up just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Photo number 9, we're going to do a closer up portrait. Look towards me here. Let's get some of the, yeah, right there. Bring a little bit, just a tiny bit of your shoulder in. Yeah, just like that. Don't move. 1, 2, 3. Photo 10. Yes, love that. Oh my God.
I could take a nap right here. It's comfy.
We'll take a nap after. We'll just live at the park. Okay, 1. Adjust your hand, other hand. That's resting on your hair. Yeah, kind of like that. Yep, just like that. Don't move. Don't move. 2, 3. Okay, here's my problem. I don't know if I still have one more photo or if this is the end. So I'm gonna advance and then we're gonna take one more.
Okay.
Cause I don't know. So maybe let's switch it up. Maybe be sitting or something like, yeah. Something kind of like that, yeah. 1, 2, 3, looking here. Now that we've shot all the exposures, when I advance, oh wait, I don't know if, see then I don't know if this one's the last shot.
Oh, it says 1 again?
It says 12. Okay, let's do one more. Yeah, just like that. Yep. 1. Yeah, looking away. Don't move. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So hopefully that was the last shot. I'm not really sure. I'm still learning how to use this camera. So now that we've shot with this film, we're going to unload it. So it says 12 right there. If you can see, hopefully it will focus there. So it says 12. We took the last shot. So what you want to do is just press this button down and then just advance, and then it should allow you to keep advancing, and then you can hear it kind of, there's nothing else to advance. And so that should mean
we're done.
we're done. Let's, hopefully the film's on the other side and in a roll. We're gonna open the back here, and the film should be on this side now. So we started this side, and now it should be on this side. Literally me having no arm strength. Okay. There we go.
Woo!
There it is! And also, what you can do is just close this little dark slide at the very bottom when you are putting in your next roll of film. And then we're gonna grab this film and we're gonna go, oh, actually we need to press this button to let it loose, and then we can take the film out. And there it is!
Can I have that?
There you go, it's yours.
Thank you.
Just go get it developed and you'll be good. You did an amazing job modeling. Let us know what you guys think of the pictures, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.